2-0. Next, they're up against a rather different proposition in the form of Japan. Commentator
Filimoni, Seru